chef of Kamarian's Catering. So, partner yan, right? So, Chef Aris, the executive chef, and the sous chef, but the owner also of the concepts, Chef Meg. Hello, welcome to the Kick Right, and thank you very much. So, Chef,
Diligent ka pala.
ating gagawin ngayon?
Nakatalakas natin ngayon is chicken cordon. Ayos.
Actually, one of my favorites. Yun yung mga una-una kong pinag-aralan na I started culinary.
Huwag tayong mama mo. Naalit lang, hindi na kita. 5 minutes.
Alright, so let's start, Chef. First, natin yung chicken. So one thing good about the Kamarian's Catering is they don't use yung mga unhealthy ingredients, yung mga MSG. Yes. So ito ba, ano niya ba to? Advocacy nyo?
Advocacy?
Like feeding your customers with healthy food. Yeah.
Parang yan. Parang marunong.
So very easy but interesting seasoning, yung salt, pepper, and paprika. There you go. Beautiful. So napansin ko, Chef Aris, hindi ka nagtitipid sa ingredients. Talagang jam-packed. So at Kamarian's Catering, talagang you please people.
Ano pangalan?
Mango.
Marian.
Ito yung cheese ilalagay natin. Tapos i-roll natin.
Napansin ko lang na talagang I was telling Chef Aris nga na you guys are very generous with when it comes to your ingredients. Yeah. So sabi nga ni Chef Aris na you focus on pleasing your customers, which is very rare, especially at catering services.
Magaling lang.
So we're using the toothpicks to secure the chicken.
Galantina yata. Galantina.
At yung cordon to natin talagang busog na busog. Well stuffed. Flour. So para dumikit yung Japanese bread, magkaroon siya ng layer, right? By the way, guys, we're here at
Wala.
the very beautiful Burgoff kitchen, and I want to thank Sir Neil or Chef Neil for letting us use this wonderful
Kopya ko ba niyan?
Burgoff.
May kumakopya.
Okay, so lagyan na natin sa ating preheated Burgoff ceramic non-stick
Hirap.
pan.
Baka gusto niya. Makita ka.
Okay.
Yan, no? Okay, so while we are waiting for the chicken, I'm just gonna ask Chef Meg a few questions about recent concepts. So bakit recent concepts?
So, yung reason kasi it means to sparkle, to shine.
Glitters ba yan?
Yeah.
Alright.
So, parang gusto namin, yun yung naging vision namin, na mag-shed ng light sa mga events. So, we started 2001.
Oh, maganda pala.
Walang yan.
Good technology sa Bastanas. So, in-incorporate na po namin. And we are so lucky na two years ago na hintay up po namin ng Kamarian's Catering, which he owns. So, dun mas nag-skyrocket yung aming
So recent concepts and Kamarian's Catering. Recent concepts and Kamarian's Catering. Wow. So, ito yung mga best sellers niya, diba? Can't wait for that. So, aside from the food, of course, and the events, what else do you have in the recent concept?
So, we also have tie-ups for mga gowns, tapos bridal cars, flowers, hair and makeup,
Photo video.
photo videos.
A lot pala, no? So, when you call recent concepts, you've got everything there, no? So, isa sa mga technique ng Chef Aris is when you deep fry the ating cordon bleu, medyo mahina yun.
Kasi para maluto siya hanggang hindi siya masunog.
Sige naman guys, kung gaano kalaki yung ating chicken cordon bleu. Kamarian's Catering focuses on pleasing the customers. Hindi sila nagtitipid.
Yes, ang aming service.
It's really good. And it's really big.
Sir, gagawin ko na po yung dip na.
Okay.
Habang natin natin.
We're gonna start making the dip.
Mayonnaise and then the garlic. About.
Meron talaga, ano?
Again, guys, it's just mayonnaise, evaporated milk,
Nagululo
and
talaga
then
yan.
it's garlic.
Ha?
So let's say, ano naman,
Binasama ko
like,
yan. Yan.
may mga customers na they just want to order food. Okay.
Napin niya.
So ano po yung ano natin, yung parang maximum and the minimum that you can cater for?
So,
50.
may mga events po kami, 30 packs lang or 50.
Kasi like that nagagawa niyo rin.
Pinakamarami namin is 1,000 guests.
Okay. Sobrang dami na na.
5,000 guests a week.
5,000 guests. So the minimum is 50. Minimum, guys, is 50 packs. Pero pwede rin bumaba ng 30. Pero mas maganda. From 30, ano eh, maganda plated na siya. No?
Yes.
So 50 minimum, and then maximum is 5,000.
Saka you can be rest assured that we are preparing more than 20% buffer. Kasi minsan, di ba, may mga bisita, hindi naman natin expect.
Yes. Okay. So 20% buffer.
Yes.
Kasi yung iba, they make use of extenders eh. Di ba? And they don't do the 20% rule, buffer rule. Yan. Bakit sinaisipan mo tayo ng decent concept aside from you love cooking also?
Yes. Modesty aside, isa po kami sa mga naunang nag-incorporate sa Laguna. Kasi nung umaten po ako sa wedding ng cousin ko dito sa Makati siya, eh parang na-mesmerize ako. So gusto ko dalhin yung elegance na ganun sa amin sa Laguna.
That's right.
Mesmerize.
And I'm sure you are doing good because you started from 2001 and it's already 2016. Sabi nga nila in the business, pag hindi ka tumagal na, ay pag tumagal ka na more than 3 years, ibig sabihin, napakagaling.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes. Modesty, di ba, meron tayong mga more than 1,000 events.
Wow. So like for a year, what is like yung pinaka
Sino nakakapanood niya?
hectic month niyo?
So,
Nanonood doon.
May December,
June.
June,
What is the new
January actually.
Well, January is the new June ba? Alright, okay. So basically, you are full na talaga, no? But can you still accommodate people? Like, kunwari, sabay-sabay kayo? Ganyan? Alright.
Delegate naman.
That's very good. Very good.
Diwali po first come first serve din. So marami kami team A, team B, team C.
A lot of teams. There we go.
Ano, naklasang kilo ito ah. Masarap.
Okay guys, we're down to my favorite part and I'm very much sure that favorite part din ni Chef Aris. So now we're gonna try their golden blue with mangoes. Okay? Chef? Ready?
Dahan-dahan.
This is really good. Ang ganda ng flavor na nabigay ng mangoes. Kasi usually pag mangoes and mayonnaise, naisip ko ano, Japanese. But it's really good na you applied it in a French dish. Bagay na bagay. It has this balance. And yung sauce mo, chef, it's really good. Mayo, garlic, and evap. It's very rich, full of flavor. And of course it complements the chicken. And I love the seasoning of the chicken. Perfect.
May restaurant ba?
Thank you so much for reaching us.
Ha? May restaurant.
Apa.
Saan?
It's our pleasure.
No, the pleasure is mine.
Yan.
So, Chef, would you like to invite our viewers?
Please like Gisang Concepts at Facebook, and you may contact us at 0916-376-3718 or 0918-294-0501. Thank you.
Again, thank you very much, Chef Aris and Chef Meg. So don't go away, because Cook It Right is right.